How to solve a temporary limit? As we can see, your account access is temporarily limited. We need to provide some information for you to get the full access. So this is what I found in my PayPal. I see submit information to access, and to continue accessing your funds, you will have to submit information requested. So I will be able to click this button. Once I click this button, it will tell me this is the impact that my account has. At the moment, I cannot pay using PayPal. I cannot use PayPal using PayPal. Send money or payments or withdraw from PayPal, I cannot. But I am able to receive payments and refund money to customers. We need some information from you. We want to confirm that the information in a PayPal account is accurate. We noted some suspicious activity in your account. To understand this better, we will require information from you. So, in efforts to keep your account secure, we also limited certain features in your account, and you will be able to regain access once you provide the information we have requested. So, these are the features that they have blocked. PayPal, using PayPal, these three, and we will start our review after you have completed the above task. I'm told to upload a photo, then confirm a card. I'll do that exactly. In submission of ID card, I can see upload a photo of the ID. What document would you like to upload? Your document needs to be valid and legible. Yes, the submitted information on the document corresponds to the information on your PayPal account. Your document shouldn't include selfies or images of people. We'll handle the information according to privacy. Your document shouldn't have a password protected. So we'll say it is national ID card given by the government. So we'll come here and say drag and drop features. We'll come and be able to pick it, and I'll also pick the other side because we are said a maximum of 5 MBs. Let me see whether also the back side will be able to operate. Then at that I think they have already exited the required 5 MBs. So I'll have to change, but I'll come and submit. So I've uploaded the ID card and the information has been submitted. I'll go to account limitation again. So the thing that I'm supposed to upload, I'm supposed to provide is a card number to remove this temporary limit. I'll come here and be able to click to provide that.